Okay, here we are. It's time for touch-ups. This is the house that I did by myself, and I hurt myself, so I needed somebody to give me 2 days to finish it. The deck has got to be cleaned and a couple of coats of Ultra Deck on it. However, it has so many stains on there, it does need a chemical reviver. So I might just have to hold off on doing that one until I actually get it, because I don't have any. So I've just opened this door up and I thought I'll grab the camera. So this is what we end up with. Beautiful. Now I haven't even been through a walkthrough here yet, so I don't know what touch-ups there are. I should probably get some sticky tape just to see if I see anything. Now he doesn't dot out, so it's really up to me to check things out. Yes, well, I didn't really do a good walkthrough before with yous when it was finished. But yeah, that's your 3 coats of wash and wear there. It's come up quite beautiful, really. I don't know what that is. So the floor coverings have been put down, and the floor covers have been put down, and the carpet's been done. This door here was sprayed and rolled. It looks okay. And they've put the shelvings in afterwards, so they've got a few things here that really need fixing, I suppose. Like I said, I haven't actually had a look at anything yet. So that's the door with Ultra Deck and satin on it. Beautiful. No, it really is beautiful. Very happy with that door. Here's another deck here that needs chemical treatment, and then 2 coats of Ultra Deck on it. Everything looks brilliant out here. I'm very happy with how it all looks. So this is the media room. Very beautiful. What can I say? The thing is, with this paint here, it doesn't have any sheen, and doesn't have any sheen, so therefore it sort of hides any problems that you might have with it, if there's any. So that's really good. I'm having trouble getting this off. Lucky I got fingernails. So let's have a walk through here. This is the laundry. Manhole cover. Probably do with a bit of paint around that. I was actually going to use the water-based enamel on top of that, but then I hurt myself, so I never got around to it. I'll have to paint the top of these tiles. These dark tiles, I'm not going to touch them, but I'll do these ones. Because these ones you don't want to be painting them unless you do it in a charcoal. But then you're going to get it all over the wall, so that's not going to work. I've got some cracking up there. And these people they've done a beautiful job. They haven't smashed the cupboards open, have they? I said, even the tiler, he's done a beautiful job. This is the meter box behind here. Yeah, no, nice job. few little stains and stuff in here. It's very hard when using this dark grout to not stain these walls. So, extremely good. The boys are a bit rugged with their shelving. They could probably do with a couple of stickers on those. Wow, very nice. Nobody's put that back in. It's meant to be there, across there, but nobody's put it in. Hey, these are hitting. Probably should be taken off and trimmed, but it's a big job. So that's what they've done. They put the stoppers up there rather than on the ground, on the floor. This looks like a miss here, look. Yep. So I actually found something that I'd missed. Maybe this whole bloody wall. No, the wall's been done, it just hasn't painted there. So I'll have to do that one. This one's done. Actually, I think that's a 3 coat, so it's already had one over it. It's had one, it just needs another one. There was 3 coats required on that. Yes, very nice. Oh, what do I think about this water-based enamel? I mean, it has its place. These tiles have to be painted on the edges there, down to there. It has its place. I'll get some baby wipes and try and clean those things off. So that's that end of the house. I'm really happy with what they've done there. Let's look up this end. This is the ensuite, or the bathroom, sorry. We've just got to do a bit of work on those shelves. These tiles need painting. See, I can still see through that. That's just 2 coats on that's just not quite enough. Messed up there. So this is a doorless, frameless shower. So you've got the big head up there, and that one comes off, unhooks, and you can, that's your view. So you wouldn't want visitors to come around while you're in the shower, that's for sure. So that's the bathtub, looking very, very nice. So they put this right up here. And coming down here, there's a mark there, I think. The thing is, I can't be rolling anything because of my shoulder. But I've still got to get the cleaner in here. So I've got 1 mirrored door, that's a bit silly. I thought you would have had 2 mirrored doors, not 1. Those doors aren't hitting. That's just the one up there. So central air conditioning, ducted aircon. This bloke's an electrician who owns this house. So this is the only thing I would have liked to see. 2 mirrored doors and not 1. Another room in here. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. It's beautiful. Once again, 1 mirrored door. Did they do that for expense or what? I'm not sure. They did. There's a touch up there, look. So this is, I had the other young fella doing this. We're going to touch up there. Now we've got a nice set of steps here. What they've done is they've put steps. Now I think we're going to have to stain them, and I think we're going to have to do them in a dark colour. Now this has to be glossed here, so we'll probably tape that off, gloss them, then just fix the wall up, tape the skirting back up. This will have to be stained up, I think, into that colour there, I think. I'm not exactly sure how they want to finish it off, to be honest with you. Once again, I would have liked to have painted those frames in enamel. You see the cornices cracking there, where they run that. They normally mess up when they do these because this roller door wasn't in before. So this is my paint. We don't have a lot of wash and wear left, don't have a lot of wall colour left. That's the wall colour outside. That's the enamel. There actually is two of these on this house, and that's the Ultra deck. However, that Ultra deck is not that dark. We've got another skirting down there to do as well. It's not very good, is that? Look at that. See, this is why we use enamel. See how that's peeled off there? That's because this is normal water-based paint, and we've got normal water-based paint on here. Well, actually, that is the enamel. So we've got the enamel, see that there? The enamel is sticking to the normal paint. That's just not right, it shouldn't be. Well, I'm reasonably happy about how it looks, except for a few touch-ups. It's actually really nice. What do we got here? So this is my Eve paint solar screen in Surf Mist. What that's doing out here, I don't know. It's meant to be in here. It's nearly a full drum as well. Jointing compound. Maybe someone's used it to stand on. That wasn't meant to go. That wasn't meant to stay here. This one here was meant to stay here. And now that's it. Let it get stuck into it. I suppose this deck here, these steps will be my major problem. So I'll have to get some Ultra deck on that. Now if I just put 2 coats of Ultra deck on that in this one here, if I just put 2 of that on, that's a natural. You see how it's not that dark? If I just put 2 coats of that on, because that's a pine, it's going to look terrible. So I'm going to have to put a stain on that to get it looking good. So that's what I'm going to have to do. So anyhow, that's my little walkthrough. It's my little walkthrough on this new home that I painted. This was probably about 2 months ago I finished this. No, sorry, 4 weeks ago I finished this. Cut down door and main bedroom walk-in robe. I spotted that, you see, so they're going to have to do that. So that looks like a list that they've got to do. And we're waiting for the screen people to come and do their screens. So that's something that has to be done. I did bring a gurney in so that I could just gurney this deck down, but it really needs chemical. You see all this here? So it does need a chemical, a reviver put on it to try to get this back. So there's no point in me doing this today. I'll do the touch-ups inside today and those steps. And that way the people can move in. I think they've made their final payment, or they're close to making their final payment. And then they have the house, they can move in then. And then these decks can be done at my leisure, basically. Yeah, that's it. So, and they've got a nice, beautiful big shed that's been built there too. I think the builder's done that as well. And we're supposed to, there should be water on there, should be power here, everything should be good. So, thanks for dropping by. Appreciate you watching this video on this house here when I painted inside and outside of this house. That's all good. Be good. I see I can lift my arm up a little bit further. Not too bad. It's very painful, but I'll get there. It might take another month or two. I'm trying to get out of having surgery. All the operating theatres were closed off because of the COVID. So that's why I haven't had surgery, and I'm just going to try and stall it long enough so that perhaps it heals up without having that surgery. Thanks for watching. See you down the track. Bye.